my fellow Namekians. Welcome back. This is my unboxing of the Uncharted 4 PlayStation 4 Slim unboxing. Um, so yeah, this is Uncharted 4, and I played a little bit of it before, but yeah, that's a fun game. Let's get this thing open. Just to start out, this is actually a um PlayStation 4, like the Slim is actually supposed to, it's not actually called the Slim for some reason, but it's smaller, and I just think it should be called Slim, PlayStation 4 Slim, but it's not. And apparently I've heard that this variation is replacing the normal PlayStation 4, the box one. Alrighty. Anyways, let's get this little thing open. Yes, my Team Valor bracelet. That's cool. Anyways, let's open this thing. Ooh, PlayStation 4 box. A box inside a box. Would you ever imagine? Let's just slide this. Slide. Here we go. Come on. Okay. You know what? Here. Come on. There we go. Here it is. Box inside the box. This is a PlayStation 4 box. This is kind of weird looking. I thought it would be black, but no, apparently it's white. But the system's black. Kind of weird contrast. Anyways, let's open this. This side. Now, let's see. Open that up. And controller. That's actually cool. Let's headphone jack and power cord for the whatever it's called. HDMI. Another cord. And this should be the owner's manual, whatever. Okay. This should be the console itself. Oh boy. Here. Oh, no, I have to slide it out. Just like before. Hopefully it doesn't ruin. Oh, here is the game. Uncharted 4. That's fun. Yeah. Uncharted 4. Whoa, it's still sealed. But I have to open it because, Uncharted's fun. Here is PlayStation Plus stuff. I don't know if it has a code on it. Here, I'm just gonna put it back there. Okay, this should be the system. I'm just gonna slide it out. There we go. Here it is. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh baby. It's really small. It's a lot smaller than what I thought it would have been. Whoa. Okay, let's get these things off. There you go. There we go. Okay, now. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Slowly. Oh my goodness. Slow. Oh my gosh. It has the PlayStation 4 buttons on, like, X, Y, whatever. Whoa. This is really small and light. Just like the first one, but it's like half the size. It's so cool. It's all this. The buttons. The back with the power HDMI, Ethernet cords, ports, whatever. Here are some USBs. The bottom has the square, triangle, X, whatever. Okay, so this is the controller. It's pretty cool, I guess. It's like the PS3 one. So it's pretty cool. Even though there are some better controllers out there, this is pretty cool. And yeah, this is everything that was in it. the controller, the PlayStation 4, the games, and the cords. So yeah, this is the thing. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing and anything else, or more videos. Okay, bye.